right, welcome back, guys. Ron here once again. In today's video, I wanted to share something a little different. On the last video, I shared how to send your single calls or puts, naked calls or puts, over to the active trader, so that you can take a little bit more proactive approach to your trading when it comes to the options. But let's say you're not really into doing singles. You're more of a premium collecting trader. You like to do verticals, maybe iron condors or things like that. So you can still send those to the active trader if you so choose. So you kind of want to keep an eye on that activity a little bit more. You can actually do the same thing. You just have to take an extra little step here. So let's say you go ahead and you select here sell vertical, and you're going to do the 340, 345 strikes, right? You go ahead and click that. Now you have that down here. You make sure you switched over to the 345s. You can actually send this over to the chart. So you can actually take a look at this. But, as you can see here, when you right click, it doesn't actually let you send it right away. It's just an extra step that you have to do. So you go ahead and select market depth. So now you have the vertical up here on your market depth below your watch list. It'll come up here. And all you have to do now is select here any of these exchanges, right? You can select any of these exchanges and then right click and then send it to yellow. Here we go. And now you'll come over here and you'll see that you have your 340, 345 vertical spread available on this chart. So now let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. Let's zoom out. And you can see the activity on the chart here. You'll also be able to see the time of sales for that vertical and any level 2 activity that may be available for it as well. So as you can see here, you have all of that. You'll have your chart and you can see the activity. And this is, again, if you are collecting premium, you like to do verticals, you'll be able to actually see how these things start to lose more and more value and obviously start going more and more in your direction. So that's how you'll be able to do that. All right. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. Go ahead and click the thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys on the next.